This cute little thing what you see here, it's a it's quite an interesting family of tuberous heart shaped leaves plant, and it's called Ariopsis peltata. This Ariopsis, up till recently there are only two varieties. One is this Ariopsis peltata, this one which occurs in the western Ghats of India, and then one more variety, name I forgot, it's there in Nepal and Himalayan region, northeast, and extending into Bangladesh, Burma and Thailand. So Ariopsis had two varieties, one in South India, one in North India, and nowhere else in the world. So it's one of our proper desi species, and it has a slight fluorescent touch to it. I mean, when you look at it in a certain angle like begonia leaves, it does have a kind of a little luminous glow. I think it might be some special feature to capture sunlight in these high shade areas. Then not much is known about it. It's not much studied also. And recently 2 or 3 new varieties have been found. One variety in northern part of Western Ghats, in Maharashtra Western Ghats. And then I'm sure if someone systematically studies, another half a dozen varieties may be located. Then apart from that, these leaves, they can grow up to 19 centimeters. That means up to this much in a good location. This is the biggest one I could find, but it has got some slight some problem on the leaf. So that's one thing. And then I did take out one and tried transplanting. It has survived, though it is it occurs in these very rocky kind of places, in little crevices. See, this is in this rock, between these two there's one small crevice, and in that hole its tuber is there. So if one is lucky, oh my god, today is my luck. The flowers also are there. I think this is quite rare. The flowers are supposed to look exactly like that cobra lily, but this doesn't look like cobra lily to my eyes. Flower or seed? I have to ask some of those experts, some of the haughty experts in those botanical sites. And then this appears to be seeds. So maybe this is a new variety also, who knows. So I have to take some pictures of this now, close-ups and all. Those of you who like to see my pictures, I have a temple garden and its page on Facebook. I'll give the reference below. You can go and look up there. I regularly post photos. There are some babies here, couple of babies. So this is a very nice plant, though it's not for your typical garden. Then apart from this, you get a little bonus of malaxis also growing here. Then this place I have been a couple of times earlier and covered the begonia and all. Fully canopy type of place, and then this rocky laterite kind of situation. high humidity because there's a microclimate here. It's an enclosed dark space. So in this kind of situation it does well, occurs naturally. And all these plants have survived for millions of years and survived right down to modern times. So anyway, I don't want to take up all my usual lecturing talk in this video. You can appreciate the leaves. I'll close it.